Timpa Dutt, also known as the Desi Tintin, is a 14 years old teenage detective who was created by Jahangir Kharewala for Indrojal Comics in 1988. The illustration artists were Sarabjit Sen and Avijit Chatterjee. Timpa's stories used to get published as a side story or backup stories along with other regular superheroes in Indrojal Comics. There were total 36 Timpa stories that got published in Indrojal Comics. Although there are many similarities between Timpa and Tintin, there are also differences between the two characters. According to Mr. Kharewala, Tintin is global and used to travel all around the world. But Timpa is younger in age and most of his adventures takes place in Kolkata or in few cases other parts of India. Just like Tintin's dog Snowy, Timpa also has a dog called Rexy. But unlike Snowy, we cannot find what's going on in Rexy's mind. Timpa's best friend Kalia is a dark complexioned boy and is usually bullied by the kids because of the color of his skin. But Timpa always rescues him from such kids. Kalia's real name is Ramdas Gainer, which got revealed in the comic Operation Rescue. Timpa's father, Mr. Dutt, is a police officer in Kolkata and has been helpful in many circumstances. His mother, who is a housewife and does not appear much frequently in the comics, is always shown to have worried about his son's safety. But the most important and interesting character is Timpa's goofy grandfather, who always accompanies him in every adventure. He is sometimes shown as a greedy and selfish person. He always thinks that he is the most intelligent and smart person in the whole world. Some people also compare him with Captain Haddock of Tintin comics, who is always with Tintin in every adventure. In late 80s, past publication had published 3 complete big-size comics of Timpa. These were Legacy of the God, The Red Hooded Gang, and Operation Rescue. The 4th title, A Country at Ransom, whose advertisement appeared at the last page of these comics, never got published for some reason. Almost after 2 decades, Pop Culture republished the same 3 comics along with 2 new titles, The Runner of the Golden Horn and The Soothsayer of Sealdah. The Soothsayer of Sealdah was actually a novel and not a comic. The Red Hooded Gang was based on the true incidents of a series of bank robbery that shocked Kolkata in early 90s. We could have got chance of reading more Timpa stories and probably complete Timpa comics in Indrojal had the company not shut down in 1992. Even after 3 decades, many Timpa's fans still wonder what would have happened to him and his grandfather in the comic A Country at Ransom that was supposed to be printed in 1988. And all the fans still hope to read it someday in near future.